It is a beautiful day in Texas today. It's about 75 degrees or so. Finally have some nice weather to work on this thing. I got a long way to go on the interior. Interior should be in this week. I know I keep saying that, but hey, things take time. So I'm gonna take this thing out, just stretch its legs a little bit, and enjoy the drive today, and come back and start working on it. Check these out. What do you think? Should I cut the chassis? Get some 10.5s? 25mm flares? Or nah? I don't know. It's really tempting. Do I really want to cut that? I just can't come to terms with slicing the chassis. This thing warm up a little bit. Water temp 64. Takes a few minutes. Yep. Degrees, my safety parameter turns off for cold start. I have an ignition cut for 4,500 RPM up until about 165 water temp, and that's to save my motor, to make sure I'm not doing anything stupid until the car is warmed up. And I don't mind. It only took what, a few minutes, but we're ready to rock. Videos don't do this justice. Check out these dump tubes. Yeah, I wish you guys could really hear them. For anybody that hasn't seen it yet. Yep, it'll get there.